Hello students, in this video we are going to start digital documentation. In the first session we are going to start with MS Word. Actually MS Word is a word processor. Word processor means it is an application software which provides many feature and facility to create a customized and attractive document such as letters, memo, envelopes and other documents which are required for personal and office use. There are very different types of word processors. For example, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, WordPad, Open Office Writer, iWorkPage, etc. All are the word processor which provides facility to create a customized and beautiful document for personal and office use. Features of word processor. Speed. A word processor provides us speed to type the letter or to create the document in fast and effective way. Editing feature. Word processor provides many editing features to edit your document in simple and in effective way. For example, it provides many shortcut keys and other tools to create a letter in very fast and easy way. Some of the shortcut key for editing the documents are Ctrl plus A, it is for selecting the document. Ctrl plus B to make the text bold. Ctrl plus X, it is for cut. Ctrl plus C, it is for copy. Ctrl plus V, it is for paste. Likewise, there are many other shortcut key also which we will discuss in the later section of the chapter. Now, next feature of word processor is formatting feature. Formatting feature, it provides us many formatting features such as indenting, change case, alignment, etc. to make the documents presentable. Means you can arrange your text in a presentable manner in a document. Another is graphical support. Graphical support means word processor provides many tools to support the graphics. For example, you can insert a diagram, images, pictures, colors, and you can draw other objects on the page. Storage. A word processor provides a storage medium to store your document in a very customized and in more spacious form. Object linking and embedding. Object linking and embedding refers to inserting the objects in the document. Objects such as image, picture, audio, video, etc. Such type of images are considered as object in computer, and word processor helps you to insert these images directly in your document. It provides various tools to enhance your processing capability. For example, it provides spelling and grammar check option. It provides mail merge feature to create your document in effective way. The shortcut key for spelling and grammar check option is F7. Now, how we can start a Word document? In this section, we are talking about MS Word. To start the MS Word, first you need to install the software package of MS Office. MS Office is a package software which provide many application software which helps in personal and official uses. Some of the components of MS Office package are MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, Outlook, Front Page. These are some of the important application softwares which are available in MS Office package, in which MS Word is a word processor which provide you the facility to create a document in effective and customized manner. File of MS Word is known as document, and it is saved with an extension .doc or docx. You can start MS Word by clicking on the Start window menu. After clicking on the Start window, go into the program. After going into the program, go to the package of MS Office. In MS Office, you will find here Microsoft Word. After clicking this, a Microsoft Word window will be opened. This is the window of Microsoft Word. It is having different components. First one is title bar. Title bar, it shows the title of the document and the name of the application. Then there is quick access toolbar. It is present at left side corner, which is having some basic tools of the document. For example, save, new, open, print preview, undo, redo, like. After that, there is a file tab. File tab provides basic options for the file, such as opening of the file, new file, exit the program, print preview, etc. There are many tabs here which is containing different groups according to which you can perform the task and customize your document. After that, there is a ribbon. This ribbon, it contains many tools or shortcuts to perform various tasks. So this part, which is containing small icons for various options, is considered as ribbon. After that, you will find here a ruler. It is used to basically provides the tab position or to set the left and right margin. It shows left and right margin. Here, by dragging the cursor, you can set left and right margin over here. Here you will find another ruler also here. It is basically shows and used to set top and bottom margin. And at the end, there is a status bar. The status bar show you the status of the document. That is the page number, how many pages are there, how many characters are there, how many words are there. All the status of the documents is displayed on this status bar. This is the document area. The document area of MS Word is known as page. So all these components are present on the window of MS Word. Here you find here scroller. It is used to scroll the page in upward and downward direction. Now, creating a document. How can you create a new document? You can create a new document by clicking on the File tab. After File tab, you will find the option New. By clicking the New option, a document will appear which will suggest you the different types of document which you can create in MS Word. So we are starting with the blank document. So first click on the File menu. After that, go to the New section. In New section, you will find the option Blank Document. Click on this. A blank document will appear in your Microsoft Word window. The shortcut key for new document is Control plus N. Control plus N is a shortcut key which will help you to create a new document. Adding text to the document. You can add the text to the document by placing the cursor in the working area and simply start writing the text over here. As soon as the line ends, cursor will automatically move to the next line and from where typing starts. This feature is known as word wrap. Remember this, it is very important question that is asked in the exam. What is the feature of word wrap? So the word wrap feature is the cursor shifts automatically to the next line when it reaches at the end of the line. This feature is known as word wrap, means as soon as you complete one line after typing the text over here, cursor will automatically move to the next line. This feature is known as word wrap. Now the view of the document. It is also very popular question which is asked in the exam. What types of views are provided in MS Word? Let's see here. You need to remember the name of this view. The different views which are provided in MS Word are print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. Remember these names. It will be asked in the exam. Name the different types of views which are available in Microsoft Word. So the answer will be the document views are print layout view, full screen view, web layout view, outline view and the draft view. Now let's see the detail. Print layout view. It is the default view in which we can see the document as it will get printed after printing on a paper. Means it will display the exact layout of the document and the text present in the document, how they will look like after get printing on the paper. This view is the best used when the document will contain things like image, header, footer, columns, etc. because it will exactly show the position of header, footer, images and etc. on the document. Now you can have an idea after printing it on the paper how it will look like. Full screen or the reading view. Basically full screen or reading view, it increases the area of the document of visualization, means the document appear on the full screen. Now it is convenient to read the document in convenient way. So full screen view is optimized for reading a document on the computer screen. In full screen view, you can see the tools like ribbon and other tabs are get hidden because it increases the area of reading. Web layout view. Web layout view will display the document in the same format as you will see it in the web browser client. Means if you want to see how your document will look like in a web browser like Chrome or Internet Explorer, then we can prefer the web layout view. Outline view. Outline view is used to view the document as an outline and show the outline tools. Means it will show the outline of the document, that what heading you are having, what subheading you are having. So this is the view to see the entire content of the document as an outline. Draft view. Basically draft view enables us to quick edit the text. Means if we want to quickly edit the text in the entire document, then the draft view will be the helpful tool to view this. So these are the different types of view which are available in MS Word. You can switch the view from one to another by clicking it from the View tab. If you want to switch between the view, then first click on the View tab. After clicking on the View tab, you will find different types of views are available here. By simply clicking on this, you will switch on to the different types of view. Now, after creating the document, it is required to save the document. You can save the document by clicking on the File tab. After that, you will find the option Save As or Save. After clicking on the Save As or Save option, provide the name of the file, and after that press OK. You can specify the destination where you want to save the document. The shortcut key to save the document is Ctrl+S. In this way, you can save your document. Thank you.